Hello everyone, I am Saif Thobani, a head faculty for one of the many financial market courses offered by Leap Up EduTech. In this video, we are going to understand what are the various order placing options available in the market for a trader and try to understand their features and importance. Knowing these types of orders are very important for any trader as it can benefit or cause a lot of troubles if used without proper knowledge. On correct application of these at the right time, you as a trader can benefit massively in terms of order execution, risk management, or increase in return of capital employed. I have divided the entire order placing into three categories, that is duration, types, and kind. Now let me explain to you these in detail. In the first category of duration, which essentially states for how long do you intend to take these particular trades for, you can choose from amongst two options. The first one is intraday, also famously known as MIS or margin intraday settlement. In this particular type of order, your trading duration is for that particular day, that is from 9:15 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Some brokers demand a square of 10 minutes before the 3:30 p.m. market close, that is by 3:20 p.m. So ensure that you square off your positions by then. The second type of option is your overnight, that is also known as cash and carry or CNC, in which your trading duration is not intraday. You are buying something to hold it and take it home. You are not intending to square it off on that particular day before the market shuts. Alright. You would now ask me, what is the main difference between these two? Why am I learning what intraday is? Why am I knowing what an overnight position is? How is it beneficial to you as a trader? The answers lie in margin. Let me show you an example. If I intend to buy Reliance, let's assume 100 shares, and I choose the option of cash and carry, the total margin required is around 2,11,060 rupees. However, if your intention is to only trade it intraday, then choose the option MIS, toggle to MIS, and you will see that the margin has reduced substantially. Now you are paying only 21,800 to buy the same 100 quantity. This is a whooping 90% reduction in your capital. That is why always choose the intraday option if your intention is to trade the stock just for that day and avoid blocking capital. The second category, type, is one of the most important concepts to understand while placing an order. When you select the option market and commence the order, the trade is executed as per the counterparty's rate. You have no bargaining power in such a scenario. However, you are not worried about partial order filling or no order filling or in execution of the trade. There is order certainty, but there is price uncertainty. You are ideally accepting the rate the counterparty has to offer. Let me show you guys an example again. If I toggle to Reliance and I again go and I choose to buy 100 shares, here I have an option called market. When I choose that market option, I cannot have a decision in placing which rate to buy it at. This is ideally accepting the counterparty's rate. If I click on buy, the trade will get executed at the counterparty's rate. However, if I want to enter my own rate, if I want to mention that I particularly do not want to buy Reliance here at 2110, I want to buy it at 2100, I can toggle to an option called limit, and here I can mention my rate and click on buy. Now what this does is that when the price will come down from 2110 to 2100, that is the rate that I've typed in, that is when my order will get executed. However, if Reliance does not come down and moves upwards to 2130, 2150, then I've lost out on the entire move as my order is unfilled, and that is the drawback of placing a limit order. So use limit orders when you have certain levels in mind, but when you want order execution certainty, that is when you choose the option of market. The third type of category is kind. It has four components. A regular order, in which you normally place an order without entering a stop loss or a target. You type in the quantity and the rate and the trade gets executed. Then you have something known as a cover order, where you mention stop loss, targets, trail stop losses. to avail further margin benefits. The third is a bracket order where there is a stop loss component. It is again used to avail further margin benefits. The fourth one is AMO, aftermarket order, where you place an order during non-market hours and the trade will execute the next day when the market opens. Now let me guide you through a Reliance example. This will solidify our concepts. I am buying 100 shares of Reliance, choosing more options. Here are my 4 options: regular, bracket order, cover order and aftermarket order. If I click on regular order, type in the rate, click on buy, the trade will get executed. When I toggle to bracket order, my margin is significantly reducing to 13,000 rupees. I'll have to enter details like stop loss, targets and trail stop losses and click on buy for execution of the trade. Then I move to cover order. Here again I am getting a significant margin benefit. I enter the quantity, the price and the stop loss level, click on buy and the trade gets executed. And then I have aftermarket order where I am entering the quantity, the price and the trade goes in the system, gets executed the next day when the market opens. So this type of order is when the markets are not open and the trade gets executed the next day. I hope the duration, types and kinds of orders are crystal clear now and you make the best return on capital employed trades with the capital you have. Do not block capital while trading intraday. Use the bracket order, cover order or MIS orders as mentioned. Many more concepts like these along with technical analysis and other concepts are taught by me. My next batch of equity trading bootcamp where I will cover insights about share markets, technical analysis and orders and all would be in the month of September. The details are on your screen now. Feel free to contact us for any other queries. I request you all to like and share the video and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you all. Happy trading.